Afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. We continue to hear the words of St. Paul and Jesus, the words of St. Paul to the Thessalonians, and as well the strong and convincing words of Jesus towards the scribes and the Pharisees. Kung babalikan po natin, pinaalala po ni San Pablo sa mga taga-Tesalonika ang dahilan kung bakit walang pagod at walang mintis nilang pinahahayag ang salita ng Diyos sa mga taong ito. It was preached to them so that God can see their hearts, that God may judge their hearts. Consequently, this was the concern of Jesus to these groups, the scribes and the Pharisees. He threw on them the woes, not to shame them or plainly correct them, but most of all, to form their hearts once more. Ang hindi lang sila maging masaya o kontento sa mga nakikita sa labas o sa mga ginagawa na panlabas, kundi lumalim pa ang maging maganda ang kanilang kalooban to have a good heart once more, to see what really matters. Tinuturuan po tayo ng tao, tinuturuan po tayo ng mga nakatatanda, tinuturuan po tayo ng buhay kung sino man o kung saan man tayo natututo. Pero natututo tayo para hindi lang magkaroon ng dagdag sa ating kaalaman, kundi para umayos din ang ating buhay. Hindi lang sa level ng pagtuto ng buhay. We are taught so that minds won't only be formed, but also our hearts. Intellectual and learned, wise and prudent. Maganda ang kanilalabasan ng ginagawa dahil maganda din ang kalooban. And we wish such grace for our lives, my dear brothers and sisters. Not only to see good outcomes, but to have a good heart as well. Kung may magandang kinalalabasan, maganda din sana ang kalooban. We wish not only to enjoy work and doing such things, doing many things, but we might need to check ourselves and our hearts if this would need cleanliness and also purification. Pagbatiin po natin itong dalawang bagay na ito kung bakit tayo tinuturuan ng Diyos, ni Jesus at ng buhay. Magandang kinalalabasan, magandang kalooban. Dahil ito po ang ihaharap natin sa Diyos, hindi sa mga bagay na panlabas, kundi sa kayamanan ng ating kalooban.